Hello, I hope this post finds you well. I wanted to follow up on my previous message and provide more information about Everything Ether. As mentioned, Everything Ether was created with the goal of documenting the journey of our founder, Stan McShan, as he explores the world of Ethereum and crypto. Our channel covers a diverse range of topics, including healthy habits, personal finance, economic history, Bitcoin, and more. Stan has a modest background in IT and a passion for learning, which led him to work at two insurance agencies and head sales, SEO marketing, and public relations. He is dedicated to sharing his knowledge and experiences with the Everything Ether community. It is important to note that we are not experts in Ethereum or any other cryptocurrency. Our channel is meant to be a platform for those who are curious and want to learn more about this exciting and constantly evolving space. Our content is designed to be informative and entertaining, and we welcome feedback and suggestions from our viewers. Thank you for being a part of the Everything Ether community. We look forward to continuing to provide value to our viewers and learn and grow together. If you're interested in creating incredible AI-generated videos, be sure to check out Kaiber.ai. In the description, you'll find my personal referral link, which you can use to sign up and start exploring the platform. As a bonus, I receive Kaiber credits for every referral, so by using my link, you'll be supporting me and helping me generate even more great content. Additionally, I wanted to mention that I use Descript to create my own AI overdub, and you can find my affiliate link for that in the description as well. Feel free to leave any questions you may have in the comments below. Thanks for watching.